welcome back to my channel and welcome. So today I wanted to do like another fall, autumn, October type of makeup look. I did a different one like green brown. I didn't make a video of it, but picture is posted on my Instagram at Nelly's Beauty 411, and yeah, so it's there if you would like to see it, and go see it. What do you think of my little background? It's very warm and inviting. So first we're gonna go ahead and prime the skin. Get anywhere that gets oily. I just do it everywhere because I do get oily, and just a lot more than one area I get oily. I'm like pretty proud of myself that I finally do a decent background for YouTube. Pretty damn proud of myself right now. So I'm thinking like, I don't know, some type of brown orange look. I don't know, black. What should I do? Let's just figure it out as we go, huh? Okay, then next we are going to put some concealer on, just to conceal those dark circles. If you ain't got dark circles, this what I'm using is a corrector, specifically for dark circles. If you don't have dark circles, just start off with, I would start off with just regular normal concealer after the primer. You know what I mean? And then just gently pat on the makeup with a wet beauty blender, whatever beauty sponge you have. Doesn't have to be a beauty blender. Not wet, but damp. Like what I do is I run the beauty blender under the sink. I wring it out with my hand. And then I go, I also wring it out another time with my towel. So it's not soaking wet, you know, it's just damp. I also hear you could wet your beauty blender with, or your sponge with, you know, whatever setting spray you have. I guess it doesn't really matter, but I do water. So I'm gonna grab some foundation, put it all over right here. Don't forget your neck. Go ahead and blend out the foundation. If you ever need to like go back and apply more, just do the first layer first and then go after and apply a second layer of foundation if you need to. I wouldn't want to apply too much foundation all at once. Then that's how it becomes too tacky, too wet, and then it gets too cakey. So that's how the cakey starts. What you need to do is apply an even layer all over your skin that covers your skin evenly. And then if you need more coverage, go ahead with a second layer, you know, once this part dries a little bit. So a more effective way to do it is also to just pat with a damp beauty sponge, so it looks nice and, you know, seamless. Okay, I had to get my hair out of the way. Knowing me, seriously, I don't know how these beauty YouTubers can do their full-on makeup with their hair in their face. There's no way I could do makeup with hair in my way. I don't know how these beauty YouTubers do it. And then they're just like so calm. Me, I'm like in a hurry. I do have 3 kids. I don't have all the time in the world to do makeup. So I'm like in a hurry for everything, makeup included, everything. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows, cut that out of the video, and then I'll be right back. Let me go ahead and apply some powder first, some translucent powder. I have the Kat Von D translucent setting powder. I like this wedge sponge for applying the translucent powder, so I'm gonna grab a wedge sponge because of the flat part it has right here. Nana. And then just apply some at the bottom right here. Put it right here so when I do the eyeshadow, there's it will catch all the fallout and it won't go on the foundation. So I'm gonna grab a long fluffy brush. I'm gonna grab like a burnt orange because that's the type of colors we're gonna go for, and a burnt orange is always good for a transition shade, I think. And then apply it on the brow bone. Of course, I always like to dab wherever I'm gonna do the translucent color, and then blend. So next I'm gonna grab another fluffy brush and grab a brown. Go ahead and just put medium brown in my crease. Just directly right there in that crease right there. Kids will be kids. I'm just gonna grab a little bit more of that brown. Hopefully you guys could see good. So I'm just blending, doing like little round motions. The round motions really make it look nicely blended. Round motions with a light hand. So next I am going to wet my brush with some setting spray. And I'm going to grab like a reddish copper kind of color. I love the way colors look when they look metallic-y. Okay, so I'm going to try something, and if it comes out right, it comes out right. If not, then it doesn't. So I'm going to grab a concealer brush, grab some concealer. So I put some gold in the crease right there. I'm just going to put a little bit of black in between that red, copper, and gold with a super thin pencil brush right in that crease. Let's put a little bit of the highlight on the upper brow bone. You see how that creates a nice clean cut edge right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply some of that copper red on under my lower lash line. So I'm looking at a picture online right now from Pinterest. Make sure that's all black like that. Grab a small little pencil brush and I'm gonna blend in between my little lower lash lines. We're gonna do the little line. So okay, I'm gonna do like one extra little line here. Can you guys see that? Put some of that right here. I'm just adding color to this little design, Egyptian design here. Let's do bronzer and all that jazz. Okay, so I will be back and we'll do the lips. Okay, I wonder if that even recorded. So I am doing red. If you're doing an ombre look on your lips, you sort of want to close off the lip of the whole main color and the middle stay a little open. I make the mistake of sometimes leaving it too open in the middle and then it just looks weird. I don't know if this would work as gloss. You think? And I'm gonna put like some. Can you see it? Can you see? Can you guys see that nice little glisten? So for the lips, I use the NARS lip pencil, Jordana lip liner, and then the Wet n Wild gold glitter palette. I want to tap a little bit of gold on top. Okay, so there it goes. There goes the finished product, you guys. No eyelashes. Let's quickly do some mascara and then we're done. Should I do false lashes for the videos? Or should I just keep it natural? I ran out of setting spray, so I don't have any setting spray to spritz on my face. I'm gonna wash this off anyways. But hope you guys enjoyed this look, this Egyptian goddess look. We literally just came up with it last minute. I love looks like that I come up with last minute that really also come out good too. So hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.